everyone, kamusta na kayo? Ito yung third part ng aking birthday kasi hindi ako nag-open ng mga present ko after the celebration. So ngayon ko palang naiset na gawin ito since after that, syempre pagod, tapos pahinga ng Sunday and then Monday, trabaho. I have so many clients Monday and Tuesday. So today is Wednesday and actually tinapat ko talaga na it's good na wala namang I was able to, yung ma-block itong day na to although nagtrabaho ako this morning. So anyway, today is Wednesday, May 15. Birthday ni nanay ngayon. So a little anxious ako kanina. Actually, ganun talaga siguro ang buhay. Wala tayong magawa. Talagang day by day ang buhay natin. Anyway, today, like I said, it's nanay's birthday. Nanay, happy birthday in heaven. Alam ko masaya ka na ngayon, hindi ka na naghihirap, hindi ka na in pain, hindi ka na namumroblema sa mga anak mo, sa lahat-lahat. So ngayon, you're in peace, kaya I'm so glad naman na kahit papano dininig ng Diyos yung pananalangin natin na hindi ka mahirapan kung time mo na. So, I think we're good na. So, ang mga kapatid ko, at least they are back to, like before. So, hopefully nakikita ni nanay na we are doing very well at this time sa lahat kaming magkakapatid na sana pagbiging tuloy-tuloy na maging maayos na walang mga maging problema, although wala naman tayong control kung ano pa yung mga darating na mga trial sa buhay natin. So anyway, now nanay understand my situation because she's with my daughter now. Kasi I just finished my lunch, my brunch kasi nag-intermittent, try nyo intermittent, it's really good para, especially yung age natin na ganito, yung mga katulad naming age talagang napakahirap kumontrol ng pagkain, at least madagdagan man ng konti yung kinain nyo, it's good because you didn't eat for a couple of hours. So, but you need a lot of water, so para hindi kayo magutom. Anyway, advice ko lang yun sa inyo kasi it's really work on me. Tapos, siyempre, kailangan pa rin natin ng exercise, but since hindi naman natin kaya mag-exercise ng like when we were young, so I think we have to help ourselves na lang in a different way para hindi tayo masyadong mahirapan. Anyway, weather today is gloomy, very sad. 62 degrees, maganda sana, but like I said, it's gloomy kasi may light rain kami. Anyway, this present is, this is from, okay, happy 60th birthday. We love you. Love Danica, Sue, and Joff. Okay, thank you. From my apos and my pamangkin, Sue and Danica and Joff. Yan yung kapatid ng anak ko. So, talagang she's really proud to everyone na ipagmalaki na may kapatid siya. So, which is totoo naman yun because they are very close. Other cousins, but since, Sue is very close yan sa puso namin dahil matagal namin siyang naging kasama. Hindi lang yung since pinanganak ko yung anak ko at saka talagang tinrain ko yung anak ko na talagang maging sa atin niya maging close siya. Actually, ang sabi ko nga sa kanya, if something happened to us, you're not by yourself because ate is always there for you. Kaya ang anak ko, actually talagang inano niya na may kapatid siya. Anyway, Oh my God, this is beautiful. Thank you so much. Pick daw to ni Danica. Danica, thank you so much for your present. I really love this. This is really cool, you know. Ang ganda-ganda kasi natuto na si Lola mag-plants ngayon since this thing happened. Kasi ang baby ko laging sinasabi, Mom, you need the plants. But ako naman, si Tamad, sabi ko naman, Nak, ayoko na kasi may plants. Kasi ayoko yung pag-aalis ba ako, naaawa ako pag hindi sila walang magte-take care. Kaya ngayon, hindi ko talaga siya, pero may pa isa-isa dalawa akong mga plants na galing sa anak ko. Siya nagregalo sa akin. So, hanggang ngayon buhay pa siya kaya nakakatuwa dahil andyan pa rin siya, inaalagaan ni Mama. So anyway, thank you so much Sue and Danica. Like I said, Sue is my daughter's sister from Body and Body Works. Okay. Kanino kaya ito galing? Oh my God. I think ito alam ko to, ito yung bigay ito nung ano ko, isa kong friend ni Haji, I forgot her name anyway. Say thank you to her. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan niya but I remember her, you know. So ito yung lotion and what do you call this, splash at saka sanitizer. So anyway, thank you so much. We need this parang pag nagta-travel ka, so you have something na pwede mong yung maliit lang na pang-travel. Anyway, ito may isa ako ditong alahas. Oh, wow. Okay. What? Ang ganda naman. Look at this. Kate Spade. Wow, ang ganda naman. Bigay ito nung friend ni Juliet, I remember her. Oh my God, pasensya na kayo, I'm not familiar with the names, but anyway, I'm so glad na at least participate kayo sa my birthday ko. Thank you so much for coming. Nag-effort kayo. I know this girl is nagtra-travel pa siya. No? Late na siya dumating kasi she came from what Pennsylvania actually. Nag-travel pa siya, and then I'm so happy naman na she made it kahit na medyo na late siya, pero hindi naman, may time pa rin naman actually. Hindi naman late na late kasi we usually stay until midnight. So anyway, thank you so much Julia, thank you so much for your friend, she gave me this. Thank you so much. Okay, so next will be andito. Ito, kanina ko galing. Cute naman ng lalagyan. Okay, ang cute-cute naman. Itabi ko lang dyan bago tayo Anyway, ito yung sobre niya. So, we'll see kung saan to galing. Hindi ko alam kung kanino siya galing. Ay! Actually, no. Hindi to galing dito. Oh my God. Teka lang ha. This is actually this card is coming from Ate Glo. Kay Ate Glo galing ito. My sister-in-law, Ate Glo, she's in Florida now. Doon na siya nag-retired. So she sent this what do you call this? This card. We'll see. Basahin natin. Oh, wow. Wow, ang dami naman. Ang yaman ko na, ang dami kong pera. Cash on Starbucks. Actually, she gave me, oh God. Okay, basahin ko muna yung kanyang message. Dearest G, sabi niya, thinking of you on your birthday and sending warmest wishes for happiness today and always. Best of wonderful and blessed birthdays, endless peace and comfort in your heart. God's loves and blessings. Love always, Ate Glo and Kuya Ben. Thank you so much, Kuya Ben. Have a wonderful birthday. Thank you so much, Ate Glo and Kuya Ben. Napakabait ng mga in-laws ko. I have no words for them. Talagang, they are very nice person. Look at this. She gave me this much. I don't want to say how much is this, but anyway. And she gave, how much is this? $30 for my husband. Can you believe that? Yung sobrang ano yung asawa ko, pamper sa kanila, sobrang spoiled. She gave $30 for his money for Starbucks. Can you believe that? Napaka spoiled ng asawa ko, and actually hindi naman sa pagyayabang. Same thing with my daughter. She's always like that to everyone, to all my in-laws. Kaya I really appreciate your goodness. Anyway, let me put that there first, and then this one, I have no idea where this came from. Okay, let me just open, baka andoon yung name niya, whoever gave this. Thank you so much. Ang cute naman ng lalagyan. Wow, look at this. What? Michael Kors. Oh, wow. Pero kanino to galing? I have no idea kung kanino siya galing. Hopefully, kilala ko siya. Okay, anyway, wala siyang card or anything dito. Ay, ito pala. Ayan, oh, si Michael Kors pala. Ay, wala pa rin. Oh my. So, hindi ko alam kung kanino ako magpapasalamat dito. Anyway, I'm sure hindi to kay Ate Glo, kasi Ate Glo is by mail ito. May address siya dyan. So, whoever gave this, thank you so much for your kindness, for your being thoughtful. Oh my God, thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat from the bottom of my heart, na sana kung sino man nakakapanood nito at pakisabi naman kung sino siya, so I can message her, at least makapag-thank you ako in person. Okay? So anyway, okay, I have another one here. What is this? Okay. Okay, tanggalin ko muna yung mga niya, ha. Okay, ready. This is, kanino kaya ito galing? Paris will wig and turning. Happy birthday. Oh my God, look at this. Ang galing naman. Born 64, what? Ang galing naman, oh. Ang born, niya, 1964, which is me. Si Michelle Obama, 64 din siya, kaedad ko pala. Courtesy Cox, TV actress, ECE, rapper, oh my God, si Keanu Reeves. Ay, kapareho kami ng birthday. My favorite actor. Oh my goodness. Kaya pala pareho kaming, very cute. Boris Johnson, the politician in UK. Okay, London. Oh my God! Music. I want to hold your hand. Okay, so ito pala yung mga Keanu Reeves. She loves you. Of course, he loves me so much. Si Keanu Reeves movie, sabi niya, From Russia with Love, 1964, Carpenters, Fair Lady. Yan yung mga sikat noon na mga movie character, actor. Mary Poppins, Goldfinger, and then, I have a call, but mamaya na yan. Anyway, average cost, sport, sabi niyang ganon, a gallon of gas, St. Louis, average cost, World Series champion, gallon of gas, St. Louis Cardinals, NFL champion. Wow! Ang galing, I like this. Ang galing ng nagbigay, whoever na nagbigay nito. Pero I will check kung sino siya. Paris with turning 60. Oh goodness, nakakatuwa. Anyways, And there's another present here, which is, I don't know kung kanino ito galing ha. Teka, titignan natin tong sobre. Teka nga, tingnan ko nga na nga lang muna. Okay, this is 60. A perfect time to celebrate you. Kasi ano na, mabilis ka ng Oh, this is from Ling Ling. Ling Ling, thank you so much, my dear. Ang cute naman ang iyong present. Wow! Okay, sabi ni Ling Ling, you live life the way it should be lived. You make moments matter, people around you feel special, and occasions like today and reason to celebrate. Happy 60th birthday and many more years to celebrate. Best wishes, Ling Ling. Oh my God. Okay. Thank you so much, Ling Ling. I love you. You're so nice. Yun yung mga Costco girl. Anyway, bubuksan ko pa to. Teka. Hindi ko pa to nabuksan ha. I just wanna share to you what's in here. So, I really like the ideas. Talagang make, magaling pala si Lingling magregalo. Believe naman ako. Wine. I know it's a wine, but I don't know. Santa Julia, made with organic grape. Wow. Okay, maglalasing tayo, Lingling. Tayong dalawa ay maglalasing-lasing. Okay, ito naman for next is my buksan natin. From Ling Ling pa rin to I think. Kasi isa naman lalagyan. Oh, especially for you. Sabi niya ganon. Ano kaya ito? Ano kaya ito? Okay, buksan natin para makita. Ako lang mag-isa ngayon dito kasi mas makakapag toki-tokis ako kesa yung merong may sasali-sali dito. Anyway, makikita niya naman to later. What? Oh, kompleto. 1964, talagang hindi maikakaila yung aking edad. Katanda na. Anyway, thank you, Ling Ling. It's so cute. Okay. Isang shot ako ng wine every day ngayon. Thank you so much. Ayan, pareho nun, andito din yung mga born ng 1964, kung sino yung mga namin dito, kasabayan ko. And ang ganda kasi ka-born ko pala, ka-edad ko pala si Keanu Reeves. My soulmate actually. Wow, okay. So, next will be, ano siya? Si Body and Bath. Okay, Lovely Dreamer. So, I have body wash. Ito, galing ito kay... Oh my God, ano ba yan? Hindi ko talaga alam kung kanina ito galing. Anyway, Haji, I'm pretty sure, ang dami kang mga friend na friend ko na ngayon. So, I think, whoever na may nagbigay nito, I would like to say thank you so much. Thank you sa mga being thoughtful. Thank you sa pag-join. Kahit na, crazy ako that day. Kasi, siyempre, I'm trying to divert everything. So, medyo wild ng konti at walang time nag-asikaso ng mga friends. Kasi, like I said, pag pupunta kayo sa kailangan ang buhay niyo sa akin, help yourself. Anyway, thank you so much for body wash ito, body cream, and the flush. Okay? Thank you so much. Kung kanina man siya galing, kasi walang nakalagay dito. Pero baka, ang tingin ko lang, from Ling Ling's friend. I mean, Haji's friend. Anyway, wow, mukhang namamaho na ako Okay, puro tawag dito, but anyway, but she picked the right, yung yung scent nito, kasi Japanese cherry is my favorite smell, yung scent niya. So, this is what kanino kaya ito galing? Anyway, kung sino man ang nagbigay sa, ay ito. Ang salbahe ko talaga. Okay, Ate Reggie, happy birthday from Jenner and Sheena. Sheena, thank you so much. She's my client, she's a friend. Thank you so much. Shout out kay Sheena. Kakasubscribe niya lang sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you so much, my dear. Yan. I'm pretty sure ito, my favorite scent ito, kaya good. Mabango na ako pag nakita niyo ako ulit. So, may sulat siya dun eh. So, baka dito may sulat din. Wala. So, anyway, siguro one of ay! Napunta rito yung aking coffee. Bigay ito ni Ate Grace Santos. Thank you so much. Alam mo naman ito yung favorite ko eh, yung coffee ko. I love coffee ko, and my Ling, she gave me another ganito ng brown naman yung binigay niya. Ito, blanca ito. So, I love this, honestly. Kaya inano ko yan sa kapi ko sa akin nila. Okay. So, dito naman tayo. Okay. It's actually ba? Ay, oo. Okay, this one is from kanino siya galing? Okay, tingnan natin how long na ito. Okay, wait lang.